YouTube is too thorough to credit whiz. I'm back with some more gems and glitches for y'all so y'all can boost y'all credit score. This company is called Tradeline Supply. What are they? What do they do? They are an authorized user company, aka piggyback company. So you can get added on to somebody's credit card and piggyback off of them. They'll sell you their trade line. So if you need that new car or you're trying to move into that new apartment and you don't have the proper score, what I would do first is go to this company, purchase one of their credit cards, let it hit my account. It's going to take about 2 weeks, maybe a week, maybe less. Let it hit my account, and then I will go try to buy that car or get into that apartment. But the company, Tradeline Supply, y'all make sure y'all tap in. Their number is down below, their website.